Hello, good day. Thank you for reaching out to Urban Teeth. This is Lexi. How can I help you?
Hello, Lexi. This is Lian from Chris AI. How's your day going? Is it hot there?
Well, thank you for asking, Lian. I am doing fine, and the weather here is not that hot. May I know why you reached out to us?
Well, I'm actually calling Lexi to discuss Chris AI with you. Is that okay?
Chris AI.
Yeah. Actually, let me introduce you if you're not familiar with Chris AI yet. So this is actually an AI chatbot that will help you with your dental website in many ways.
That's interesting. Can you tell me more about it?
Oh, well, absolutely. Um, for this one, Lexi, Chris AI is actually dental practice. AI chatbot that improve patient communication and education, reducing patient fear and anxiety about procedures and website abandonment. It also increases website visitor and patient conversion rates.
That sounds impressive, Lian. I think Dr. Forbes is the best person to talk about this. Let me check one moment, okay? Hello, Lian. Thank you for your patience. I'll connect you to with Dr. Forbes now.
Thank you so much for your assistance, Lexi. Bye.
Bye. Hi, I'm Dr. Forbes. Is there anything I can do for you?
Well, hello, Dr. Forbes. Good morning. I'm actually Lian from Chris AI, and I would like to discuss an AI chatbot that will definitely help you with your practice. This is called Chris AI.
Oh, okay. I am really interested to hear about this, but it seems I have so many patients right now.
I see. I do understand that one, Dr. Forbes, but would it be possible if I arrange a demo instead?
Yes, I would love to. How about this Wednesday at 1:30 p.m.?
That's perfect, Dr. Forbes. So, to further discuss this in the invitation, can I have your email address instead?
Sure, Lian. It's Forbes12 at gmail.com.
So that would be Forbes, Forbes 12 at gmail.com.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for that one, Dr. Forbes. After this call, I will send an invite for the demo, and we can go ahead and proceed with the demo at your convenient time.
Yeah, great, Lian. Bye.
Thank you so much again, Dr. Forbes, and looking forward to our demo discussion. Bye.